What is the effect of cover cropping on soils, and over what timeline do these effects take place?
So cover crops are grown usually during the non-growing season, where it's a crop that's not harvested for consumption. Usually the legumes like nitrogen fixing, where they perform best fixing nitrogen from the atmosphere into the soil for the microbial community to use up.
We've been to many fields, part of at least a dozen farms, probably more. I think in total, the hope was to visit 48 farms total this summer. We use a probe, a metal tube, and drive that into the ground, and we extract it using a jack. And then we take that core and we put it in a bag and we bring it back to the lab, and that's where we do some processing of it.
And so these samples will do a whole range of measurements. At the Stroud Water Research Center, they'll be extracting the DNA to understand microbial communities. But at Ursinus, we're responsible for taking measurements of how much nitrogen is in these soils and how much is released from these soils. So that's Izzy's project. And then we're also looking at the microbes and their ability to function and decompose residues, and that's Noah's part of the project. So we'll use these samples for a lot of different laboratory analyses.
Cover crops have been a big conservation effort for farmers to start using for crop performance, because it's a way to minimize disturbance of the soil. And if we can learn more about how carbon is stored and nitrogen is stored, we can bring more awareness to this project.